Hello friends, welcome to my channel in 1 minute 1 question answer series. Our today's question is in AWS classification for carbon steel SMAW electrodes, example E7018, what does the third digit represents? So in AWS electrode classification, the third digit it is asking, like in E7018, the third digit is 1. So what does this 1 indicates? Every digit has some meaning. What is the meaning of 1? Option 1 is the minimum tensile strength of the weld metal. Option 2 is the recommended welding position. Option 3 is the type of coating and current characteristics. And the option 4 is chemical composition of the core wire. So friends, the correct answer is the recommended welding position. The third digit or the second last digit, it would be better to call it as the second last. So the second last digit will indicate the recommended welding position, means which position this electrode can be used. So let us understand the first alphabet, that is any electrode name start with E, like E7018. So E stands for electrode, specifically shielded metal arc welding electrode. The first two digit is 70. So the first two digit represents the minimum tensile strength of what? It will represent the minimum tensile strength of the weld metal in KSI. Like if 70 is written, means the tensile strength is 70 KSI. So that can be converted to PSI by multiplying into 1000, and the PSI value will be 70,000 PSI. So in E7018, the minimum tensile strength of the weld metal will be 70,000 PSI or 70 KSI. Now my question is, how you can convert PSI into megapascal? Please write in the comment box. Then the third digit or the second last digit, it will be better to call it the second last digit. The last digit is 8 and the second last digit is 1. So the second last digit will indicate the welding position. If 1 is written, so 1 means this electrode can be used in all position. If 2 is given, then 2 means the electrode can be used in flat and horizontal fillet position, and 4 indicates flat, horizontal overhead and vertical down positions. Now the last two digit, that is 18, in 7018 the last two digit will be 18. So last two digit combinedly indicates the coating type, means what is the composition of the coating. For 18 it is particularly iron, powder or low hydrogen, and it also, the last two digit also indicates the current and polarity in which the electrode can be used. The 18 will be used for AC and DCEP. So it can be used for AC or it can be used for DCEP, not in DCEN. So friends, in some books you will find that they write the last digit indicates the coating type, but that is not correct. If you will go by the code, by AWS code or by ASME code, they have mentioned that the last two digit combinedly indicates the coating type and the current or polarity in which that electrode can be used. So hopefully you would have understood. Now my question for you is, in the AWS classification for carbon steel SMAW electrodes, example E7018, which digit indicates the current or polarity and the flux coating? So it's a very straightforward question. If you go in the previous slide, answer is given. However, I would expect you to write the answer in the comment box. So friends, please write the answer in the comment box. Which digit or digits indicate the current or polarity in which the electrode can be used and the composition of the flux. So please write the answer in the comment box. Either it is 1, 2, 3 or 4. So friends, hopefully you will write the answer in the comment box. This is my request. Please write it in the comment box. And one request I will make, if you have still not joined my channel, please join my channel and support my initiative financially. So friends, with this we have come to an end of our today's video. Hopefully you will like my video and you will understand something, you will gain something. And friends, please, I request you to please write your feedback and suggestions in the comment box. That matters a lot for me. Thank you very much.